Okay, let's continue. A retirement plan pays 20,000 pesos at the beginning of each year for 10 years. If the interest rate is 7% annually, find the market value. So we're given payment, we now represent it with R, 20,000 at the beginning of each year. So this is the annuity due. Number of years, T is 10. And the interest rate I is 7% per year. In terms of decimal, that is 0.07. We are required, the number of periods n is equal to 10. We are required to determine the FMB, which is actually the PB of the annuity due. So our solution, we need to determine first the value of um, PB ordinary, that is equals to R times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative n over I. And then the PB due will be equal to PB times the ordinary times 1 plus I. And then substituting now all the values of R, the N and the I, we can get the PB of the due equivalent to 150,304 pesos and 64 centavos. Number 4. A company agrees to pay its supplier 100,000 pesos annually for 8 years. If the market rate is 6% compounded annually, what is the FMB of this annuity? Given payment, and let's represent it with R, it's 100,000 pesos. The number of years, T is 8. And then the market value is 6% per year. So that is 0.06. The number of periods N is 8. We are asked to determine the FMB today, and which is equal to the PV. So our solution, use the formula PB is equal to R times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative 8 over 0.06. And then substitute now all the values in our equation. The final answer is 620,979 pesos and 38 centavos. Number 5. An investment receives 15,000 pesos every quarter for 5 years, discounted at 8% compounded quarterly. Find the market value. So we are given R, 15,000 every quarter. So time 5 years, And then the number of periods n is equal to 5 times 4 is equal to 20 quarters. The discount rate nominal is 8% compounded quarterly. So therefore, the periodic rate is I is equal to 0.08 divided by 4, which is 0.02. And the number of periods as previously calculated is 20, which is n. We are required to determine the fair market value today, which is equal to the present value. So our solution, the formula to use is PB is equal to R times 1 minus I raised to negative n over I. Substitute now the values of R, which is 15,000, the value of I, which is 0.02, and then the value of n, which is 20. Calculating the value, the final answer is 245,271 pesos and 50 centavos. Number 6. A woman deposits 5,000 monthly for 3 years in a fund earning 10% compounded monthly. What is the present value of her annuity? So the payment is 5,000 pesos monthly. The number of years is 3. And the interest rate nominal is 10% compounded monthly. So the monthly rate is I equal to 0.10 divided by 12. And so the number of periods is 3 times 12 is equal to 36. There are 12 months in a year. So the required is the present value, which is actually the fair market value of the annuity. So our solution, the formula to use is PB is equal to R times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative n over I. Our I is 0.10 over 12, which is 0.0083333333. Substituting now the values of R, the value of I, the value of N, the final answer is 154,956 pesos and 18 centavos. Okay, so let's continue. Number 7. A firm invests 200,000 pesos annually for 15 years in a fund discounted at 12% compounded annually. Find the fair market value. So the payment R is 20,000. That's annual. Number of years is 15. And then the interest rate per year is the 0.12. And then the number of periods N is equal to 15. So we are required to determine the FMB today, which is the present value. So, solution, use the formula PB is equal to R times 1 minus 1 plus I raised to negative n over I. Substitute the value of R, which is 200,000, the value of I, which is 0.12, the value of n, which is 15. The final answer is 1,362,172 pesos and 90 centavos. A student, number 8. A student will pay 2,500 at the beginning of every month for 8 years in a tuition savings plan. If the rate is 6% compounded monthly, calculate the FMB. So required payment 2,500 at the beginning of every month, and this is annuity due. The number of years is 4, and then the interest rate nominal is 6% compounded monthly. And then the monthly rate is I is 0.06 over 12. The number of periods is 4 times 12 is equal to 48. We are asked to determine the FMB, which is actually the present value of an annuity due. So, our formula is obtain first the PB of the ordinary using the formula R times 1 minus I plus I raised to negative n over I, and then obtain the PB of the annuity due, which is equal to the present value of the ordinary annuity times 1 plus I. I is to be computed by using 0.06 divided by 12, which is 0.005. Substitute in our formula for PB of the ordinary annuity, the value of R, the value of I, and the value of N. And then obtain the PB of the annuity due. So, and then substitute the value of I together with the calculated PB of the ordinary. The final answer is 106,983 pesos and 5 centavos. Number 9. A worker deposits 12,000 semi-annually for 6 years in a fund earning 9% compounded semi-annually. What is the FMB? So we're given R, 12,000 semi-annually. So the number of years is 6, and the interest rate per the interest rate nominal, and that is 9% compounded semi-annually. So the periodic rate I is 0.09 divided by 2 is equal to 0.045. The number of periods n is 6 times 2 is equal to 12. We are asked to determine the fair market value, which is equal to the present value. we will have the next part of this lesson.